In this video, we will make double crochet stitches. Start with a foundation chain. Put a stitch marker in the first chain stitch from the hook. This is a reminder that you might work into this stitch when making the second row later. Look for the fourth chain stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. This is where we will insert the hook to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn over the hook. Skip the first 3 chain stitches from the hook. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch from the hook. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through the chain stitch. Now, there are 1, 2, 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, and in the next step, we will pull the yarn through these first 2 loops on the hook. Now, there are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. 1 double crochet stitch is made. The next stitch will be made into the next chain stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook. Yarn over again, pull through. Yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. Let's continue to make 1 double crochet stitch into each chain stitch on your foundation chain. 1 row is finished. Let's save our progress and count the number of stitches. We can look for the V shape on the top of each stitch. This V shape is the top of this double crochet stitch. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochet stitches made in the first row. Notice that there are 3 chain stitches we skipped in the beginning. Here. Many patterns will count these 3 chain stitches as a double crochet stitch. You will see the pattern indicate that the first 3 chain stitches count as a double crochet stitch. In this case, the total number of stitches in the first row is 7, which includes the 6 double crochet stitches we have made and 1 stitch that is formed by the 3 chain stitches we skipped in the beginning. On the other hand, some patterns might indicate the first 3 chain stitches are not considered a stitch. In that case, the total number of stitches in the first row will be the number of double crochet stitches we have made. As we counted before, there are 6 stitches.